Bodyline Plastic Repair Kit, New Part Formation. Before starting any work, ensure you're wearing appropriate PPE for the task. This product can also be used to create new plastic parts in the event that a clip is snapped off as shown. Clean the area thoroughly and begin by creating a diagonal groove along the edge to be repaired. Do this by sanding with a P80 disc on a DA sander. Use a 3mm drill bit and drill holes along the groove to maximise the surface area for adhesion, creating an improved chemical anchor. Sand off the excess material with a P80 abrasive. Clean the area to remove any dust. Ensure this is done with a dry cloth. Shake and apply adhesion promoter to both sides of the repair and allow 5 minutes to dry. Measure and cut a piece of contouring film to size. Place the plastic adhesive black into the gun and squeeze out a small amount of product to make sure the cylinders are aligned, providing the 50-50 mix required. Failure to do this could prevent the product from curing. Attach the mixing nozzle and prepare the product for application. Apply a thick layer of the adhesive to the film, keeping the tip submerged to prevent air pockets. Push the film back into the repair area and through the pre-drilled holes. Bend the film over and manipulate into its final position. An exothermic reaction is taking place at this stage, which is how the product cures. You'll notice the heat while moulding the shape. It is important that enough of the material is applied in order to match the original plastic thickness. Once cured, remove the contouring film and use a P80 disc to shape the newly formed plastic back to its original shape.